Hello everyone, welcome to my Tech Hub YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how we can install and configure UiPath Studio in our machine. Before going into the next steps, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my Tech Hub for more technical related content. So let's dive in. So first of all, let's see how we can download the UiPath Studio. So I have prepared some resources for you, so you don't need to go anywhere to how we can download and configure UiPath Studio. So simply to download UiPath Studio, we can go with this URL. Don't worry, I will share this URL in the description. So let's go with this URL. Hit enter, just save UiPath Studio community and click on save. Once UiPath gets downloaded, we will see how we can install the UiPath and configure the UiPath Studio in your machine. Now we have successfully downloaded the UiPath Studio. Now it's time to install the UiPath Studio. Let's double click on the UiPath Studio community.msi. Installation window will appear. Okay, now we will see the welcome to UiPath setup. There are two options, one is quick and second is custom. Community user means that UiPath Studio is freely available for everyone. It's just for the development. Custom means there are options like the enterprise users. Okay. So the enterprise users means the license base, okay, but as we are the developers and we are just want to use for our daily use, or you can say the practice purpose, we will click quick and just hit on I accept the terms and click on install. Okay, so the installation will start. It will take some time. Okay, while doing the installation, okay, the UiPath setup will ask you to install the UiPath extensions for Chrome. For now, you can click on cancel because this part we will cover in our UI automation session. Now you will see the UiPath Studio is successfully installed in our system. Okay, we can click on launch UiPath Studio. Now it's time to configure our UiPath Studio in our machine. Okay, so there are several options for the configuration. First is with the service URL. Okay, you will see the default service URL is cloud.uipath.com and you can access the more options by clicking on more options. Here you see sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will get to know about the service URL. Second is connect to orchestrator. There are options to fill the details related to the URL, client ID, client secret, or if you select the different options, okay, like the with the machine key, you will see the different options like the orchestrator URL machine key. Okay. So another option is add license key. This is nothing but for your license product, UiPath product. Okay, so those are three options available. As we are beginners, we will see the sign in option. Okay, so this is the simplest option, so that will directly create your account on the UiPath cloud and you can directly configure the UiPath Studio in your machine. Okay, so we will keep this URL by default, which is nothing but cloud.uipath.com. If that URL is like blank, or you can say this field is blank for you, you can fill this URL in this text field and you can click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will redirect to the Chrome browser or whichever default browser. Once you click on the sign in, you will redirect to this page. Okay, so what you can do, okay, you have several options to sign in to your UiPath account. So if you have Gmail account, or you can say the Google account, you can click on continue with Google. If you have the Microsoft Outlook, you can continue with Microsoft. You have option of LinkedIn, and if you have the separate email, for example you have organization email, then you can with the continue with email options. So this is nothing but a signing up your account with UiPath Cloud. Okay, so I have Gmail account, so I will go with continue with Google. Okay, here you have to provide your Gmail account. And the password. So this is nothing but creating your account on UiPath Cloud. So click on next. Okay, so the URL will ask you to open UiPath. Okay, so I will click on always allow and click on open UiPath. Okay, if you see the my like UiPath is configuring now. So there are two profiles, one is UiPath Studio and one is UiPath Studio X. So let's see the difference. So UiPath Studio is for the developer purpose who can do the development on the tool, okay, by putting the logic and just hitting drag and drop. So UiPath Studio X is for the business user who is looking to like do the small automations, or you can say create small robots for their daily tasks. So this is a small difference between UiPath Studio and UiPath Studio X. We have to click on UiPath Studio. Once we click on UiPath Studio, let's wait to open UiPath Studio. Now UiPath Studio is ready. So let's click on don't show again and close, and I'm just maximizing. Okay, so this is UiPath Studio, and this is in the bottom left corner. You will see the version is 23.8.0. Okay, so this is the UiPath version, or you can say the latest UiPath version we have. So that's it related to the downloading, installing and configuration of the UiPath Studio. In the upcoming videos, we will see how you will create or own robot. Okay, so don't forget to hit like button, share this video and subscribe to my tech up. Thank you so much. Have a great day.